Ooh, do we have a gem for y'all today? Catalina, Catalina, Catalina. The queen of threes, and y'all shall see. This unit is special. She's loaded up. You got your awning outside. You got your LED lights, multicolor for the awning. JBL outside speakers, Wi-Fi equipped, outside kitchen with a mini fridge, with a griddle, some storage right there, and can't forget the bottle opener. Flip down cargo rack with a 200-pound capacity. Outside shower to rinse off. I'm telling you, this Catalina's loaded up, pass-through storage, G20 tinted windows, 3 ACs. You do remember the 3 ACs, right? This Legacy Edition has it all, and you deserve more. 3 times more to be specific. Follow me inside. Beautiful sofa that will convert into a bed. Huge L-shaped dinette. Look at this. Residential style kitchen right there for you. 3-burner stove. You even got your own oven for them pizzas and pies. Microwave on the go. 12-volt electric refrigerator to stack up. Beautiful entertainment station. You got the fireplace to light up the mood right there or stay cozy. You also got top of the line JBL system and RV Link 4G LTE connection. And when it comes to storage, don't you worry. Yes, big deep pantry right over here. And then we have another door. Wonder what that's for. Whoa, another closet? Ain't that something? And now to see why she's so special and the queen of threes. As we can see, you got one queen, you got 2 queens right there for you. We got 1 queen. We got 2 queen size beds in this room with an AC as well. How cool is that? How loaded is that? Now over here we got a beautiful bathroom with a glass shower doors. And the 3rd queen bed. I told you all this thing was loaded. 3 ACs, 3 queen size beds. So this is your triple queen Catalina. Come check us out. Give me a call, 512-986-3083. Let's schedule an appointment. Let's set something up and let's make it happen.